Hello, this is Mr. Stansbury. I'm going to take you through the primes and composites notes. At the end of this, you should be able to say, I can tell if a number is prime or composite, and also I can express a number as a product of prime factors. Okay, so let's start with some definitions here. A prime number is a natural number which has exactly two factors, and those two factors are always going to be itself and 1. So like, for example, we've got 7. 7 is 1 times 7. So the two factors of 7 are 1 and 7. And so that's what makes it prime. It's just the only two factors are 1 and itself. Okay, a composite number is a natural number which has more than two factors. So for example, on that one there, we could do 8, because 8 has 1 times 8. So 1 and 8 are factors, but also 2 times 4. So 1, 8, 2, and 4 are all factors of 8, so that would make that a composite number. Okay, and 1 is neither prime nor composite. It's considered a special number. Okay, so with that, let's take a look at a couple examples here. Express 180 as the product of prime factors. Okay, so there's several ways you can do this. I really kind of prefer the tree diagram way, so I'm going to start with 180, and if I can divide it by 2, I'm just going to start dividing everything by 2. So that's 2 times 90. This is prime, because only 2 times 1 are the only factors of 2 and 1. So that one I leave alone. Anything that's composite I keep breaking down until they're all prime. So 90 is still even, so I'm going to go 2 times 45. 45 is, we could say, what, 9 times 5? Right? 5 is prime. Both these 2's are prime, but this 9 is a composite because 9 can break down into 3 times 3. Okay, and now at the end of all my branches are all prime numbers. Okay, so to express these as a product of the prime factors, I'm just going to multiply all these numbers together, not actually multiply them together because that would just give us 180 back, and that wouldn't make much sense. But the product of prime factors, and are usually our best bet. The most accepted way is start with your lowest numbers first. So we have 2 squared, so we have 2 2's, and then we have 2 3's, so times 3 squared, and then we have 1 5, so times, let's go with this, times 5. And that there is the product of prime factors for 180. All right? Okay, if you have any other questions, please feel free to ask in class. Thanks.